Now, here's Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca with your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
We're tracking two very small showers passing through a few communities right now, but essentially it is a rain-free night. That's the way it should stay. We could use it, but we don't see much really. Taking a look at Newport, where it's pleasant, skies are partly cloudy. It's very humid. You kind of see maybe a little bit of a light haze, indicating perhaps a little bit of light fog. The visibility is really not an issue yet, but these dew points are real high. Anytime you get dew points of 70 or higher, there's a lot of moisture. It feels very tropical, so warm temperatures already feel warmer when you have dew points this high. So because we have so much invisible moisture kind of floating in the atmosphere, some of that may tend to condense into fog overnight, early tomorrow morning. So just slight reductions in visibility, not by much. Vineyard, Nantucket, a little bit of light fog in Newport and Block Island, but some of these visibilities may start to lower during the overnight, early tomorrow morning. It does burn off rapidly, so it's really not an issue at the beaches once we get beyond, say, 7, 8 o'clock in the morning. Ocean Beach in Warwick, it is still 80 right now. That 80 feels like 84 because of the humidity. We call that the heat index. It was running in the upper 90s this afternoon, and same situation coming up for tomorrow. Cumberland with clear skies, temperature now checking in at 78. Threat tracker brought back down for now, just for the simple fact that we're not dealing with 90+ degree temperatures, but back up there for both Tuesday and Wednesday. The heat advisory for both of these days each afternoon. The heat index running in the mid to upper 90s. A satellite and radar composite, and that's it. A little speck on your TV set, 1 and 2. And it just popped up like right on top of our studios here in East Providence, right there. And now moving just south of Rehoboth, a quick little downpour. And this one was out towards Quinnesset and North Kingstown and getting ready to cross the upper part of Narragansett Bay, Prudence Island. And that's about it. Most areas, 95% of the area is actually dry. Boy, what a nasty line of damaging, severe thunderstorms across the Midwest. This is not a factor in our forecast, but very impressive to look at. When you take a look at the damage reports, so many these icons represent damage reports. They're all stacked on top of each other. So it was a big outbreak of severe weather through Chicago and the Midwest this evening. So quieter here. We'll keep things, again, rain-free. We'll get in real close and we'll walk you through it hour by hour. Now, note overnight, early tomorrow morning, this little veil of gray right in here. 5, 6 a.m., some low clouds and fog, especially near the coastline, burns off to sunshine, and then here we go, hot day. Now, we're not talking extreme or record-breaking, but it is a hot day. It's in the lower 90s, partly sunny skies, 80s at the coast, and much like you saw on the radar a little while ago, like 1 or 2 spots gets a little shower, same situation for tomorrow afternoon. The chance is very, very small. I wouldn't alter any plans tomorrow in terms of rain or thunder, but a slight chance of just kind of a pop-up shower or thunderstorm, but essentially dry. Clouds and fog will tend to roll back in later tomorrow evening and into tomorrow night. So boaters, any fog early in the morning burns off to 5 to 8 miles in haze, a southwest breeze turning south at 10 to 20. So becoming partly to mostly sunny tomorrow morning after some early morning fog. 11 a.m. 86. And low 90s with high humidity for tomorrow afternoon with a good deal of sunshine. Very small chance of an isolated thunderstorm. Beaches have hazy sun after some early morning fog. Don't forget the sunscreen. Air temperature at 85. 7-day forecast, 90 or close to it on Wednesday with a spot shower. Most of this day is actually dry. Slightly better chance on Thursday. Not as hot Thursday and Friday, mid 80s. Early call on the weekend, back to seasonable temperatures. Not too hot or humid with daytime highs both Saturday and Sunday with a mix of clouds and sunshine, generally in the lower 80s, and nighttime temperatures it'll be in the 60s. Mike and Shannon?
You know, we need the rain. It seems like the rain that we've gotten is almost kind of useless rain when you think about it, Tony, just coming down in buckets.
The soil is hard, almost like cement, so a lot of times it doesn't get a chance to absorb. Or you see in pictures like that, one town is getting a downpour, the next town is missing out, so not every spot getting the beneficial rain.
It's the excuse for why my herb garden is just
That's
dead.
the reason why.
Yeah, that's it. Not because I kill plants.
All right. Thank you, Anthony.